Our dogs just got outside and ravaged a bird. A baby, well, a juvenile bird popped its lung. It's dead. It was alive for like the next 10 seconds. It's dead now. Must have been the bird's first flight. There's one, two. I hear three robins. And robins were screaming all over the place as soon as Daisy got this. It was alive for like and it was alive until I brought it inside. I'm gonna dig a grave though. It's sad. If it wasn't a juvenile, it'd probably fly away faster. I'm gonna dig a grave for the bird that probably had about five weeks of life. I'm not gonna dig a grave for the bird because the fucking ground is strong. It can withstand my whole flipping weight and a shovel. And it like barely even does anything. Like it's doing nothing. I'm not digging a hole. Now, his final resting place.